Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files. This is the replacement for the Beko. It's a Dcu7230s. This is a Hoover Infinity VTC 5911NB 9kg sensor condenser tumble dryer Visiontech. And it has many programs, so it's got delay starts and for delicates. It's got refresh 30 all the way to 150. It's got rapid 40, relax 12, which I think relax 12 would only be used as a basic. It's got wool, iron dry, cottons, cupboard dry, extra dry, and all towels. And it means the only thing I need to worry about is this. Of course, Candy and Hoover are together, and it's nice working, nice looking dryer, and as I say, it's a lot larger than what is usually used. So I'm glad to get this in working order. And of course it's got beep sound different to the H Express. So yeah, it's pretty good condenser, but the thing is that the condenser looks a bit vented, like a vented one, because of this window here. But as I said, it'll have very good use, I'm sure.